Hamfest India! Hamfest India! Hamfest India! This time in association with Sister Nivedita University, and our media partner is the Telegraph Online, the Edugraph. So what are you waiting for? Visit www.hfi24.in and register yourself. And before you change your mind, just take a look on what the other hams from all over the globe have to say.
Hi, I am Ria, call sign M2RJ, and you might know me from Ria's Ham Shack, both on the radio and on YouTube. And I just got off the 2JK Oscar India net run by Oscar India. I am so excited because I am going to India. I'm going to visit the Oscar India group and I'm going to attend the HFI 24 Hamfest in Kolkata in West Bengal.
Hi everyone, this is Praveen Malera, V2 Charlie Papa Vector, QTH Gandhinagar, Gujarat. I represent Gujarat Institute of Amateur Radio, GIR. Look forward to participate in Hamfest 2024.
Greeting from Oman. This is Alpha 41 Kilo Lima. Sam is the handle and the QTH is Muscat, the capital city of Oman. On behalf of Royal Omani Amateur Radio Society, it is our great privilege and pleasure to participate to your Hamfest India 24, which is going to be held this year in Kolkata.
Hey, this is Steve. I'm Alpha Charlie 6 Foxtrot Mike from Santa Barbara, California. This December, I'll be flying to Kolkata, India to join Hamfest India 2024. Looking forward to making some good eyeball QSOs with folks. Yes.
Hi, I am Muhib A41JZ from Sultanate of Oman. This December, I will be heading to Kolkata, India for Hamfest 2024.
The entire team of Oscar India is eagerly waiting to welcome each one of you for the unceasing celebration of the 33 years long legacy.